Hi there, I'm Kathy. I'm an art teacher, and I've created a new drawing video to show you how to draw a menorah. The tutorial comes from my website, Art Projects for Kids, which I hope becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step drawing lessons. Please check out my videos, and if you like them, hit that like and subscribe button that's in the corner. It really does help me make more of these. Now here's a little bit more about the menorah drawing project. This tutorial shows how to draw a menorah with these very symmetrical and very pretty curved arms. I've found that if you plan all the arms with a center line first and then draw around them, you get a much better chance of having them all evenly spaced out. Let's get started. The materials you need for this project are drawing paper, pencil, eraser, black marker, and crayons. You can also download this free menorah tutorial from my website. Now before you begin your drawing, it really does help to first make guides on your paper. All you have to do is fold and crease the paper in half in both directions, like I'm doing here, and then open it up again. You'll have lines that match my tutorial, which really do help, plus they do completely disappear by the time you're done coloring. Step number 1. Start by drawing the base of the menorah, which is going to go here and sit near the bottom of that fold line. Step number 2. Draw the right side of the center candle and then the left side, making it as tall as you want your menorah to be. Step number 3. Now I'm going to plan my curved candle arms by first drawing the center lines. I'm starting with the largest one on the right. Draw lightly and start at the top and curve down to the bottom near the base. Now draw a matching line on the left side. Make it match the right as best you can. Now go back to the right side, draw another curved line, still making the lines as light as you can. Afterwards, go to the left side and draw a matching curved line there too. Now go back to the right side and draw a third curved line. Work slowly and draw very lightly. And then draw a matching curved line on the left side. Go back to the right side and draw one more last line in the space left over. And then finish that line on the left side. Now take a moment to see that all of your spacing on the top is pretty even. This looks pretty good. It certainly doesn't need to be perfect, just do the best you can. Step number 4. Now that I know my candle arms are all planned out, I just need to go back and outline each one of them. I'm starting with the largest one on the right side. Then do the same for the curve on the left side. Try to keep the spacing as even as you can. To keep things from getting too confusing, I'm going to erase that inside line first before I go any further. Step number 5. Now go back to the outlining again. Draw an outline all around the next pair of arms. These lines may be darker as they are not going to be erased later on. When you're done, take a moment to erase the inside line here too. Step number 6. Now draw an outline all around the third arm, keeping an even space all around and pressing harder if you wish. Take a moment to erase the center line here too, so you don't accidentally trace it. Step number 7. Now outline those smallest arms, keeping an even space around all of them as best you can. And of course, erase that inside line too. Okay, now is a good time just to make sure you can see all the lines that you want to keep before going to the next step. Step number 8. Now it's time to draw the flames. Draw a candle wick and a flame on the center candle. Continue and add a wick and a flame to all the candles on the right side. And add a wick and a flame to all the candles on the left side. And all I need now is a table line, so my menorah doesn't look like it's floating in space or something. Step number 9. All right, the drawing is done, so it's time to trace all those pencil lines with a good black marker. Now, tracing curved lines can be tricky sometimes, so work slowly. And as always, when you're done, take a moment to erase any extra pencil lines that are still showing. And now it's finally time to color. I'm going to make my menorah a dark blue color. These candle flames are the perfect place to try some color mixing to get a more realistic look. Color the bottom half rather lightly with an orange crayon, and then press even harder near the base to make the flame color even darker. Then take a golden yellow crayon and press hard to fill in the top of the flame. If you need to see that again, just watch as I fill in the rest of the flames the same way, coloring the bottoms of the flame orange, with the darkest part near the very bottom, and then filling in the tops with the golden yellow crayon. You can press hard on all of them to make sure this yellow color really shows up. Now my table needs some color. I'm going to use a reddish purple crayon. The last step is to fill in the background. I'm going to use a light blue color. Okay, this menorah drawing is all done. See how great all those flames look on those candles? Try to keep this color mixing trick in mind the next time you need to color any kind of fire. Hey, thanks for following along with me, and I hope you've enjoyed this menorah tutorial video. I do have even more drawing tutorials like this one on my website, Art Projects for Kids, including how to draw a dreidel and how to draw a Star of David. I'll see you next time, and I hope you keep on drawing.